Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we got more Hot Wheel monster truck races. We got some unboxing as well. So let's just go ahead and get started off because you guys did see that if you clicked on this video. So we got a 2-pack of monster trucks. We got the Chevy Silverado and the Ford Raptor, and this is going to be an awesome race. I did pick these up on Amazon, and there will be links in the description down below. You can specifically buy this pack right here. There are other links down below. If you guys want to buy like a mystery 2-pack, you guys can take the gamble, and it's like a little bit cheaper. You can buy the mystery 2-pack and just see what you get. I don't know if it's going to be like from this set, like this generation, because you got the truck races as well as like 3 other sets. So I don't know if you'll get that or if you get a completely different set. I did a previous video and I did have like some mystery sets that I ordered, and then when those came in, they were completely different sets than these. But I did really want to race these. I want to do like the Silverado versus Raptor, so Ford versus Chevy. And then I also picked up the Volkswagen 2-pack set. So we got the Volkswagen Drag Bus right here, and then the Volkswagen Beetle, and I kind of wanted to run those as well. Also, that drag bus looks really, really cool, so super excited about that. So what I want to do is open up both of these 2-packs. I want to race the Volkswagens against each other, and then race the trucks against each other. The winning car then moves on to the final race to see which is faster, a monster truck or a monster truck Volkswagen. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to throw these down here and bust open the Volkswagen 2-pack first. And like I said, if you guys do want to pick up these exact sets, there will be links in the description, as well as the links for the just kind of like random 2-pack, so you kind of get what you get. Alright, so we got the Volkswagen Beetle here, and that actually looks really nice. It has like really good quality paint, almost like a Hot Wheel premium car. So that looks really cool, actually. Got a pretty cool design that goes down the top all the way down the middle. And then some pretty interesting colors. You got different colored rims on there too, with like that little purple ring around the face of that rim. Just go ahead and set it right there without rolling everywhere. Come on. There we go. Okay. And then, wow, this looks really nice as well. Like, I really like the quality of paint that they do on this. Like, I guess like the decals they put on with like the clear coat or however they do it. I think it looks really, really good. But look at that attention to detail with like all those flames. With the Volkswagen logo there in the front. Got more flames on the top with the Hot Wheel logo on the little wing. And that looks really cool. So I'm super excited to be able to race these two. This one does have a lot of weight to it, so I'm wondering if that's going to give it an advantage. So let's just go ahead and line these up right here. And then we'll go ahead and open up the trucks. So I did see the Chevy Silverado as like a standalone, like online, and I was like looking at trying to pick up one of those, and then accidentally came across this 2-pack, and I saw the Ford Raptor, and I'm like, okay, yeah, that's definitely gonna be a set to open up, because that Raptor looks super cool, and even has like Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo on there. But there's that Raptor. It has like a really cool kind of like camo type design on it. And that looks really awesome. And it has like the big Raptor down the side. Has the Ford across the back. But I think that's a really cool looking truck. And that'll look really good in these races. Let's go ahead and set it right there. Actually, even the grill, like the attention to detail is also really nice. And then the Chevy Silverado. This is a older one. This kind of looks like the 83 Chevy Silverado that they do make like mainline Hot Wheels for. And this one's kind of cool. It has like a little flag that's sticking up on the back out of the bed. And yeah, I think that looks really cool. Kind of has like some flames there on the front. I don't know if it's really shown up. Oh, there's the flames on the hood. And then they kind of go above like the front fender. And then it has like that little Hot Wheels logo right around the base right there. And then the little flag sticking out of the back. So that's kind of cool. And then the front end, it has like a brush guard. And then has the Hot Wheel logo there on the back. So this is going to be a pretty awesome race. I mean, we got 2 really cool trucks against some pretty cool Volkswagens. So let's go ahead, throw these up on the track and see which one is going to be the winner of this little mini tournament. Put down in the comments down below which one you guys think is going to win, because, I mean, this is a pretty cool lineup, and they are all, like, real cars. And I prefer to have more real cars versus, like, the fantasy cars, because at least you kind of see these and you know what they are and you kind of recognize them, and they look really awesome. But let's go ahead, throw them on the track, and race them. All right, so we got the Volkswagen monster trucks lined up right here, ready to race. And man, I really love the paint scheme on that one, like the blue and white, especially with the cool flames and everything. But we're going to see these trucks run down the track. We're going to find out which one is the fastest, and then it's going to move on to the final race. Like I said, put in the comments down below which one you guys think is going to win. But we're going to go ahead and race these in 3, 2, 1. All right, so the drag bus is the winner, and it did flip over there at the end. This thing was pretty heavy, but is it going to hold up against both of these trucks, or at least the winner of this race? So I'm going to go ahead, set that aside, get both of these lined up and ready to go, and see which one of these is the fastest and which one is moving on. But it's also really cool seeing these monster trucks on the 6-lane raceway. Obviously, you got one tire in each lane, but these look super awesome, lined up, ready to go, and I really like that Raptor, so I'm kind of hoping that's going to be the winner, not going to lie. But let's find out in 3, 2, 1. Heck yeah, so the Ford Raptor is actually the winner, and I did forget to take the Beetle off the track, but at least with the monster trucks, when they hit, like the tires just hit, so they're not going to chip up or anything. But the Raptor was the winner of this race, so now it's going to be moving on to go against the Volkswagen Drag Bus. But let's see which one is going to be the winner. I feel like the Drag Bus is a little bit heavier, but the Raptor is also pretty awesome, and it was kind of quick, so let's see which one is going to be winning this little Volkswagen versus pickup truck competition. But let's find out in 3, 2, 1. All right, that was a super close race. Honestly, I thought the Volkswagen Drag Bus was going to win it because it was a lot heavier, but the Ford Raptor actually slightly pulled ahead. Like, I don't believe it was by much, but that right there is the winner of this monster truck race. And that thing also just, to me, looks really awesome. And I love all that cool detail they have. So I believe this might be my favorite truck so far. I mean, I do have all these other really awesome trucks. But yeah, this is the winner right here. All right, guys. So what did you think of that race? Like, that was actually super awesome. That's not exactly the outcome I was looking for. But, I mean, that was still pretty cool, honestly. Like, all of these are really awesome cars, pretty cool lineup, and I cannot wait to add these to like the collection of the other monster trucks I do have and do some more future races. I do have like an older Ford pickup truck from a previous video, so let me know if you guys would like to see that run against these two trucks. And I even have actually a couple other trucks. I even have like a Sriracha truck and then that Golf livery one, so that'd be pretty cool. Maybe do like a whole little truck tournament with all the monster trucks, or maybe do a tournament of all of them. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys would like to see. Like, do you guys want to see a big, huge video just on a monster truck tournament? Like I said, put down in the comments down below. If you guys do want to pick up any of these ones right here, or there's even going to be links of some other sets, or even like just buying like a random 2-pack on Amazon, you can definitely go check out all those links down in the description down below. But if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.